Hello guys, welcome back to another episode. So recently, I was going to upload a mass amount of videos. And as you can see, my last upload was that's for school. October 17th, last year. So it has been a while, and those, not the best quality videos. A lot of things have happened. I've switched to Linux, and I haven't got to do any videos on that. All of these are Windows. I no longer use Windows. Sometimes I will, but right now I'm not. My watch time and views have been going up a lot, and I don't know why, but thanks. And it's nice, because my watch time and views are going up. So I will try and to get my channel doing even better. I'm going to, instead of holding all my videos and uploading them in like a mass burst of 50 videos, I will upload like 1 or 2 at a time individually. Same time episodes, I don't know. As you could also see, I have a quicker internet speed now for uploading. I have 5 megabytes per second. It's not the best, but it can get the job done. Also, I'm recording in VLC format, and I'm using OBS for Linux now. So, hopefully it's nice, better. Right now I'm doing 20 frames per second. It shouldn't make that much of a difference, but yeah. In this episode, I will be using JetBrains in order to do some software. I'll be just looking over some features, and I'll show you how to get it for free first. So in order to get JetBrains for free, just go to, you'll need these following links. First, in order to do this, you have to be a student. You have to go to school, college, whatever. You just have to be in a school. So let's get started. The first link you'll need is this. So GitHub Education allows you to use, it basically just adds some data to your account. That basically says that you're a student, and you can get some other things like free IntelliJ. So for students, you also get a lot of stuff like Travis, Extend Plan, AWS, DigitalOcean, all of that. And let me see if I can show you some of the benefits. So here is what is in the pack. These are all the tools. Everything here that says free for everybody, this down here shows you what you get. This is just a description. So as you can see, there's a lot of pretty good deals in here. So I'm going to scroll through. Oh, also this right here gives you private repository, and you get a professional GitHub tag. So like my account right now is, if I go to it, so you could see I have the professional star, and now I could go in here, new repository, and I can now create private repositories. So you get that, a lot of school stuff, so like web development courses, Datadog, infrastructure monitoring, you get a lot of stuff. DigitalOcean for servers, stuff like that, cloud hosting. You get a lot of nice things. These are professional softwares, you get it for free. 1 year, that's nice. And this is what we will be using. Professional IntelliJ, and you get the whole entire suite. I got all of this software, so you can see these ultimate things. These cost a lot of money. I can get them all for free. I didn't want that, but I got every single JetBrains application on my computer. As you can see, you get a lot of benefits. So let's look into JetBrains Student. You can go to jetbrains.com/student, sign up, and you just click Apply Now, and fill this out. You're a student. Just do this. I did not select that. I'm not under 13 years old, I'm 14. And they still let me in, because I'm still a student, so that's nice. You get a lot of benefits, and also, if you go in here, let's say I open up a software, IntelliJ Ultimate, so we don't need that anymore. I recently updated all of these to 2019.1 because they were kind of outdated. Did I like not open it? Okay, here. There we go. As you can see, licensed to Joseph Robinson until 2020. Right now it's April 3rd, 2019. So I have a long time, 11 months, and then when it runs out, all I need to do is refresh my subscription, and I get it again, which is really nice. Now we wait. I don't think it's my first time opening that, so we should be fine. It's starting up. Yeah, it is. Oh, it's already started up. Sorry, this is my bad. I have to click on it for it to actually show, as you can see. No, it doesn't say. Maybe it was saying here. Yep. Licensed to Joseph Robinson. So I own the software. I just X'd out of it. Okay, let's start with an Android Studio application. This right here, Android Studio, it's its own software, but they used IntelliJ IDEA. They have like, well, Android is like Java, so similar code. They just ported IDEA into Android Studio, as you can see, powered by the platform. But it's its own thing, but it's in the toolbox, so we'll use that. It's pretty nice. It's almost the same interface as IntelliJ Ultimate, as you can see when it starts up. That's weird, because I'm not, as you can see here, I'm not using that much CPU. So, yeah, there it is, starting up Android. And it's up, so, third screen. Here we are. As you can see, it looks similar. Here you have a lot of options. You can start a new project, open existing. You can clone it from GitHub. Clicking here, Git. Also, if you want like example or template, you can do Google Cloud. You could profile or debug an APK file. You can import projects using Gradle, Eclipse, stuff like that. And these are Android code samples. So if you click here, you could see what you want and just click on it. So like, let's say I want what is on the camera? Device admin. So like, let's say I want to do device owner, NFC provisioning. Here I can go here. Well, okay, well that's an example. It's pretty interesting. So this is probably like sharing Wi-Fi information. And as you can see, there's a lot of... Oh, look at this. It's a whole entire game. Sunflower. Circle CI. Plant lists. So, this is a trivia game, I think. So that's an example, and you just click next. And let's just, I'm gonna create a new project, like complete, but you can find examples in there. So what do I want? Google Maps. I have a lot of choices. C tabbed. What if, okay, here, I'm gonna just make a simple. This looks pretty nice. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this scrolling activity. I'm gonna use it as like a profile page. Again, I have never used this software. Actually, I haven't told you this. I've never used this software before. So, minimum API level means that Android level will be supported. Any devices under won't work. Any devices over will. Right now, Android 4 is supported, so we'll go with this. But if you have like an older application, you can go all the way back to Android 2. And Android 2 devices will be supported. But I'm going to stick with 4 because that's recommended. This project will support instant apps. No, that's all good. Finish. So you can see it's creating the project. Let's click finish again, I guess. Load. Don't open that up. Okay. There we go. So as you can see, it's a nice UI. You could do a lot of stuff here. This right here, I think, packages it to an APK. No, SDK. AVD allows you to actually emulate Android on your computer. And that's like, you can emulate watch, like an Android watch. Mine's dead. You can emulate car, computer board, TV, phone or tablet. So it's pretty nice. Right now we're just syncing the user profile. So you can see there's stats here. It's been running for 37 seconds. It's probably running slow because I don't have a solid state drive. Otherwise right now I'm running 32 gigabytes of RAM because I bought 16 gigabytes on eBay. So anyways, let's just, yeah, next is 5x. Let's do that. Android Q, nice. Let's do that. So Android Q, this should just system image. Now let's just go with Android Pie. But you can test Android Q if you like update your SDK or something. Now we wait. But it's okay, in the meantime it's doing all this stuff down here, downloading files. Oh, I think that's a Maven build. There's no way to see because 1, 2, 3, 4 windows. So, hopefully, if you guys like this type of series, I'll continue. If you're from my school and you're doing software development, we all do .NET. There's this, I mean, personally I recommend you use Visual Studios. But if you're using Linux and you have no choice, you can also use IntelliJ Writer in order to do .NET code in Linux, and it's pretty nice. I was able to do a ASP.NET form. And then you could also do WebStorm for creating websites. That works pretty nice. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, some others. There is PHP, Go language. Data Grip is actually for managing databases. All of this is for Java. C-Line is just for C, Android. MPS is like... MPS. I don't think... It's like you actually create your own language, I'm pretty certain. Ruby and Python. Python's pretty nice. I like Python. I haven't used it before, but I like the language. Here we are, 78%. it's still building, so at least we're not wasting time. We're multitasking here. In the meantime, you know what? I'm really smart. Let's start up another application. Android C line. I'm not good at C. Data group. I want to see if I can use this to connect to one of my databases. Because I have a MySQL database on this computer. Do not import settings. I'm going to set it up live with you guys. Well, not live. It's obviously recording, but let's just do this. We don't have that many windows open. We're starting to lag. Yeah, I should use a solid state drive. Here we are. Let's connect to database. Oh, look at that. The exact thing I needed. Thank you. Oh, look, it already has localhost and everything. Username. That should all be good. Yeah. Let's see. Let us in. I'll full screen it for now. Hopefully. Is that it? Synchronize. Password. That's right. Ah, there they are. All the databases. No, that's not it. CI. That must be... Oh yeah, there they are. Oh. There we go. So here is Drupal. This is for one of the websites, and you can manage it from here. So this is like PHP My Admin, but it's like more interactive. Drupal. There's apparently 2 of them. Git for one of my servers. Let's wow, that's a lot. User. Okay, I'm gonna have to blank out the screen because I don't want to, you know, leak anybody's information. Querying. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, the password's encrypted. That's nice. Okay, so screen capture. So this is kind of nice. This is an example. So login. Just imagine GitHub, for example. You know, you log in and you have your username and everything. So here it is. Here's me. Line 2 is me. This is one of my friends. This is an organization or an account. And if you could see, email capture private. What that means yes. I guess that's an obvious email. Password's encrypted. must change password 0. So as you can see, that's me. Information. Here is my website. Salt. As you can see, there's a lot of information here. It's the database, so team. Here are start repositories, ID, and repository start. Pull requests. So there's a lot of information here. It's kind of nice. This is like a full interactive database viewer. I really like that. So there's a lot of stuff in here. That's nice. So it's useful. You can create your own files, run. Look at all the stuff in here. You can even probably code your own database with this. So I like that. It's really nice. But let's continue with Android. Can we like file save? No. File. Control S. Save. Oh, so it like saves your changes to the database. It's pretty cool. So now, in theory, I'm not certain if this is going to work as it's a database, but yeah, it didn't work as it's a database. But you can see that user profile I just created is right here. Android application, you can see that. These are some of my other projects. Finished. We have Android Pie installed. So let's go next. Portrait landscape. Let's go portrait. Finish. There we go. So now we could start our device and everything. Screen resolution, API. Play Store is enabled. So I'm going to just click plus. Our emulator device should start. Daemon started successfully. Don't need that anymore. So you can see it built in 1 second. Oh, here we are. Android emulator. Now we wait. And it's going to start up, and it's going to be great, and it's going to be Android, and I could use the Play Store, and it's going to look like a Nexus 5X, maybe the design will be there, or it might just be the screen, I don't know. But it's probably going to be like the device, because like if you ever seen like Play Store, like when they take a snapshot, that's like the device, and it's like, that's not a picture of the application, that's like, it's actually there, the white background complete. I think that's how they do it. They use the Android emulator. So, let's get started. Let's open that up. Okay, this is taking a while. There it is, yeah, it shows the phone and everything. Serious performance, one word, nice. Please update it. Okay, so ADB is outdated. No, that's not right. Why did you X out? 6.7 gigabytes on disk. Wow, that's a lot. It's more than I said. So yeah, it actually looks like the device. This looks like the Nexus 5X. It's a pretty nice device. Thank you. Okay, that's great. See your buttons and everything. I don't know what to do about that. But the good thing is, here's our application. What's new? Here's your assistant. It's all nice. Scrolling activity. So this is like we wanted a scrolling template. So this is the code for that. Let's see, can we go to the designer? Does this have a designer? Hey, where's the designer? Let's just start it up. Please work. Please. It's not gonna work. Oh, it is. Okay. I think I have a fix. As you can see, Android's not exactly click and go. What's a cold boot? SDK manager, yeah, here's what I was looking for. Let's get Android Q. Tools. Platform tools, update, there it is. Build tools, we should update that. Android emulator also has an update. So that's all good. Apply. Okay, I have 275 gigabytes. That's pretty good. So, oh, that's actually going pretty quick, but it's only 15 minutes. Linux patch. Okay, that's great. Android works perfectly. I was just outdated. Now it's updating, and it works. I could use the application, the phone. But while we're doing that, let's do the next thing. I'm going to skip IntelliJ old idea, because I don't want to do Java right now. But there's a lot of videos online. It's one of the most popular. PyCharm. I've never used this before. Let's get started. Okay, also, all of these are repositories that I own. It's just, it looks more than I... No, yeah, that's right. I own... Yeah, I own all of these. Oh well. I don't know what this pi symbol is. Sort. Slash Joe's. Slash Python workspace. Python workspace. That's great. Test. Oh. Yes. So if I go here, projects. Let's wait for it. There it is. This is my new Python workstation that I just cloned. Tells you location. You could probably like click here, add to favorites, stuff like that. That's really nice. I like that. So you can manage multiple projects across multiple applications with that one app. And you could probably just click on it to start it up. Welcome to PyCharm. Next. Close. Okay, that's great. So this is my workspace. So these are my Python files. Nice interface. Okay, how do I commit my changes? Why does it say IDEA files if I'm not using IntelliJ IDEA? Well, I guess they're all based off of IDEA. And IDEA, huh, you get it, okay, bad joke. Added. Now I think we just... Well, apparently I have a lot of errors in my code with the raw input. Probably doesn't work. Well, at least all my files showed up. Just markdown format. Nice. Markdown formats. It's good. Log file, which I'm not using. License. Yeah. Alphabet sort. All of these are going to be aired. Probably because when I coded these, I used Python 2 instead of Python 3. Close. It was great. You know what? Python, you're just great. I'm so happy. You did a great job. Professional version of PyCharm. It works like a charm. Bad joke. There it is. Okay. But my main goal in this episode is going to be to get that software to work. Or the emulator. Here it goes. Hopefully that update fixed something at least. Here, smart idea. Okay guys, this is really important. I'm going to show you how to fix any issue that ever happens. Look at that. I'm going to fix it right now. Okay, what? You know what? I'm sorry, guys. I lied. This is impossible. I'll show you another trick. On Linux, if you do Alt F2, it opens up this dialog where you can just type in what you want. And we'll open it. Okay. I can't do that. Here, I have an idea. Let's make the perfect device. I'm gonna make the best device that will ever exist. Not ever. Obviously, it's gonna be better. Pixel 2 X. Which one has the largest screen? Pixel 2 XL. That's really good. I do not want to do that. Pixel 2 XL. No, but this is a Play Store. Pixel 2. Play Store. Device frame is like the outline on the outside, so if you just want the phone screen, you disable that. Let's finish. Please work. Oh yeah, see? It looks like a pixel.